Hi, I'm Jesper, and I'm the founder of calculations.tools. So let me show you how to use the ideal body weight calculator and actually calculate your ideal body weight. So we have four different formulas. We have the Devine, Robinson, Miller, and Hamwi. All four formulas are very similar in terms of results, but those are the standard formulas that you use. um, so first here we have the calculator, and then below we have some very helpful content that will help you answer all your questions and gather the information you need. And also you can compare the different formulas to see which one you actually want to go with. So let's check the content and compare the formulas here. So again, we have the Devine, Robinson, Miller, and Hamwi formulas. And here in this table, you can see exactly how they're calculated, also depending on if you're male or female. The Devine formula is the most used, and that's just because it's the standard for calculating drug uses. So that's the one you'll see mostly used around the world. But actually, all four formulas are very similar in result. They will only vary by plus minus 5% of body weight. But here you can see the different formulas. They're specified for men and women. But let's go up and do an actual calculation here. So we have the calculation made by both metric and imperial. It's just a toggle between them. And as well as for gender, we have male and female. So you can just specify exactly what you or choose what actually you need. But let me just do an example of myself here. So I'm 184 in height, and my body weight is 81 kilos. So this will instantly show me that my ideal body weight using the Devine formula is 78.6 kilos. And it will show me the healthy minimum and healthy maximum, and as well as the BMI actually for those two. And then since I put in my weight as well, it will show me that I'm 2.4 kilos above ideal body weight. So this calculation here is by default using the Devine formula, as that's the most used. But down here we have the comparisons for the other formulas. So we have the Robinson, Miller, and Hamwi formulas, and you'll see the result really do not vary that much, but you can instantly see and compare the different formulas depending on your result. Um, just a pro tip for using this one or calculating the ideal body weight in general, because one thing most people get wrong when using tools like this is treating the result as a strict personal target. The ideal body formula is they're guides, not goals. Your healthy weight depends on muscle mass, bone density, and body composition, not height alone. So just keep that in mind whenever you use a calculation like this, that it's not a strict, it's just more like a guideline. It's not a strict goal. But this is how you use our ideal body weight calculator. And if you have any questions, just comment them below and I'll get to them.